We also would like to thank the barangay government units headed by our punong barangays sa atong mga kapitan at palangpakan kaniya karon dinhi. Daghan kayo salamat kauban sa atong mga kapitan, ang tanang mga barangay volunteers, tanang mga organization sa nagkalain-lain mga barangay, ang atong Women's Association na sa kilid, atong mga PWDs, ang atong mga senior citizens, the LGBTQ community, kung ikon man ang tanang mga civil society organizations nga aniya karon dinhi.
You should miss it. You missed it.
And that concludes the significant and historic event today.
Bye.
Thank you everyone for your presence today in support of this remarkable undertaking.
Congratulations once again, and may this day be a new beginning as we take pride in the journey of the new set of municipal officials, and we are very confident that this new set of officers will have the same drive, the same